Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make pie tea, a delightful Anya snack. We'll start by preparing the signature crispy shells, then move on to creating a flavorful, savory filling. Finally, I'll guide you through the simple assembly process, ensuring your pie tea is perfect every time. This easy-to-follow guide will help you master this traditional dish, bringing a taste of Southeast Asia right into your kitchen. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this unique treat. Creating the perfect pie tea shells is key to this dish. First, whisk together 1 cup of rice flour and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Then, incorporate 1 egg, 1 cup of water, and a small pinch of salt until you have a smooth, lump-free batter. Heat your pie tea mold in oil to approximately 170 degrees Celsius. Dip the hot mold into the batter, ensuring it coats evenly, then fry until beautifully golden and crisp. This technique ensures light, airy shells. Now for the heart of our pie tea, the savory filling. Begin by sautéing 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 finely chopped shallot until they release their wonderful aroma. Next, add 100 grams of shredded jicama, 50 grams of finely diced carrots, and 50 grams of small, peeled shrimp. Season this mixture with 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Cook everything until the vegetables are tender crisp and the shrimp turns a lovely pink, ensuring a flavorful and juicy filling. With your shells and filling ready, it's time for the exciting part: assembly. Carefully fill each crispy pie tea shell with a generous spoonful of the warm, savory mixture. For an extra burst of freshness and a touch of spice, garnish with a few fresh cilantro leaves and a dash of your favorite chili sauce. Serve these delightful snacks immediately to ensure the shells remain wonderfully crisp and the filling is warm. They are perfect for entertaining or as a unique appetizer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.